Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, teacher.
Okay, nice to hear that. Can you take your seat?
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, this afternoon, we are going to have a game. Let's call this game Complete Me. I will divide the class into two groups. This will be the group 1 and this will be the group 2. Now, I will be presenting a different kind of pictures. And you will going to answer it if you will going to determine if what kind of picture is it. Am I understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, but before that, I have here a chalkboard and a chalk, and you will going to write your answer here. Okay. Go to your group. Okay. The group who will finish first and raise their answer will get a 1 point. Okay?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's start. Okay, raise your answer. Okay, very good. What kind of shape is this?
Circle.
Okay, circle. Next one. Okay, very good. Group 1. What kind of shape is this?
Triangle.
Okay, triangle. Number 3. Okay, what kind of shape is this?
Rectangle.
Okay, rectangle. Number 4. Okay, what kind of shape is this?
Rhombus.
Okay, very good. It is a rhombus. Number 5. Okay, very good. What kind of shape is this?
Parallelogram.
Okay, it is a parallelogram. Now let's proceed to our good. You got it, class?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now, who can still remember our lesson yesterday? Anyone? Yes, Jamaica?
Our previous lesson yesterday is all about perimeter.
Okay, very good. It is a perimeter. Now, what is perimeter? Okay, yes, Mary Grace?
Perimeter is the space around the shape.
Okay, that's great. Since all of you have already know what is perimeter, now let's move on to our new lesson. But before that, let's have another game. Okay, do you like to play another game?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's call this game Guess the Shape. Let's see how quick you are in analyzing pictures. Now I have here, okay, I will presenting two different kind of pictures with questions. And you are going to answer what kind of shape is it. Am I understood?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Number 1. Which one is a round shape and no corners? Okay. Yes, Kim?
B.
Okay, letter B. Very good. And what kind of shape is letter B?
Circle.
Okay, it is a circle. Number 2. Which one has 3 sides and 3 points? Letter A or letter B? Okay, yes, Mijin.
Letter A.
Okay, very good. Letter A. What kind of shape is letter A?
Triangle.
Okay, it is a triangle. Now, number 3. Which one has a 5-point arms? Yes, Rosemary?
Letter B.
Okay, very good. Letter B. What kind of shape is letter B?
Star.
Which one has 4 short sides? Yes, Giancarlo?
Letter B.
Okay, very good. Letter B. What kind of shape is letter B?
Square.
Okay, it is square. Last number. Which one has 2 short sides and 2 long sides? Yes, Jamaica.
Letter A.
Okay, very good. Letter A. What kind of shape is letter A?
Rectangle.
Okay, it is a rectangle. Okay, now, what do you think is our lesson for today? Anyone? Yes, Rosemary?
Our lesson for the day is related to sheep.
Okay, that's great. Our lesson for today is related to shape. Now, now it is all about, Now, our lesson for today is all about how to get the area of a shape. But before that, let's have our classroom rules. Okay, class, what will you do if your teacher is talking in front? Yes, Mary Grace?
Behave
Okay, behave. What else? Yes, Majin?
properly.
Okay, sit properly. Another. Yes, Rosemary?
Listen carefully.
Okay, very good. Class, can I expect that from you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Now I have here a picture. Okay. What kind of shape is it?
Square.
Okay, it is square. Very good. How many sides of the square?
4.
Okay, there are 4 sides of the square. Can you draw the 4 sides of the square? Yes, Jamaica? Okay, very good. This will be the 4 sides of the square. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How about the corners of the square? How many corners of the square?
4.
Okay, very good. There are 4 corners of the square. Can you point out the 4 corners of the square? Yes, Rosemary? Okay, very good. This will be the first corner, the second, the third, and the fourth. Now, where is the length and the width of this square? Anyone? Yes, Giancarlo?
This is the length. This is the width.
Okay, very good. Now, class, remember that square has an equal side. Now, we are going to learn how to get the area of the square. Okay. The area of the square refers to how much space is inside of it. It can be used meter and centimeter. Now, what have you observed in the picture?
Black, small square, and big white square.
Okay, very good. There is small black square and a big white square. The black square has a side of 1 unit, so its area is 1 square unit. So, I have here small square. And this will be the big
Square.
square. Now, the number of small square that can be fitted in a big square is what we call the area of the square. Now, This shows that the space inside of the shape, or the space, this, okay, this shows that the area is the number of space, the area is the number of square that the figure can contain. So now we are going to fit the small square to the big square. So it is. Okay. If we are going to fit the small square to the big square. 1. Okay, how many square units are there inside of this square?
9.
Okay, count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Okay, very good. So there are 9 square units in this square. Therefore, the area of the shape can be solved by multiplying the side by side itself or side squared. Now this will be the formula of getting and getting the area of square. Area square equal to side times side. Okay, again, what is the formula in getting the area of square?
Area of square, side times side.
Okay, very good. Observe. Okay, very good. Now let's have an example using the area. Using the formula. Okay. This is. Okay. The area of the square is equal side
Times side.
times side. Now, area side times side. What is the length of this square?
5 centimeter.
Okay, 5 centimeter. How about the width?
5 centimeter.
Okay, it's also 5 centimeter. 5 times 5,
25
25
centimeter square.
square. So what do we call this one?
Area of square.
Okay, this is the area of the
Square.
Now, let's take another example. Okay, let's take another example. Okay, what is the area of this square? Who can solve this on the board? Yes, Mary Grace? Okay, very good. Area is equal to
Side times side.
with the length of
8 centimeter.
and the width of
8 centimeter.
8 times 8 is equal to
64 centimeter.
okay, and this is what we call the
Area of the square.
okay, the area of the square. Now let's have another very good. There are 2 short sides. How about long sides?
2.
Okay, there are also 2 long sides. Now, let's going to get the area of the rectangle. So the area of the rectangle is the same with square. Okay, let's find the area of the rectangle. Okay, what have you observed in the picture? There
Red, small,
are
square, and big
rectangle.
rectangle.
So, okay. Okay, if I have small square and a big rectangle. Okay. This one. I have small square and big rectangle. The number of square that can be fitted in this big rectangle will be the area of the rectangle. Did you get me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, now let's fill the small square to the big rectangle. Okay. How many small square are there in this rectangle?
15.
Okay, 15. So now let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Okay, very good. There are 15 square units in this rectangle. So the area of this rectangle is 15 square units. Okay, now let's take an example using the formula. Okay, the formula of the rectangle is area
Length
is equal to length
times width.
times width. Now, area is equal to length times width. What is the length of this rectangle?
2 feet.
Okay, 2 feet. And the width is
6 feet.
6 feet. 2 times 6 is equal to
12 feet.
12 feet square. So this will be the
Area of rectangle.
Okay, very good. This will be the area of rectangle. Now let's have another example. Let's have another example. Okay. Who wants to solve this on the board? Okay, yes, Giancarlo. Okay, very good. Area is equal to length times
Width.
The length is
feet.
4 feet. And the width is
7 feet.
Okay, 7 feet. 7 times 4?
28.
Okay, very good. And this is what we call the area of
Rectangle.
Yes, this is what we call the area of rectangle. Okay, that's great. Okay, since all of you had already looked up. Okay. You really understand the lesson very well. Now, what is our discussion all about? Anyone? Yes? Mary Grace? Okay, very good. It's all about area. And again, what is area? Yes, Jamaica?
Area refers to how much space inside of the shape.
Okay, very good. What is the formula in getting the area of square? Yes, Mijin.
Area equals side times side.
Okay, very good. Area is equal to side times side. How about in getting the area of rectangle? Yes, Rosemary.
Area equal length times width.
Okay, very good. Area is equal to length times width. Okay, this time let's see how far you have learned. So, I will group the class into 2 groups. And I have here a manila paper with the questions. And you will going to answer it. And after that, the group who will post first their answer will be declared as a winner. Okay. 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 You can now start answer. And also you will choose a representative by group to explain your answer. Okay. Okay, since group 1 post their answer first, then they will be the one explain their answer. Okay. 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 Okay, kindly explain your answer.
Okay, number 1.
Solution is area equals side by side. So the area of the length is 8 centimeter and the area of the width is 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters is equal to 64 centimeters squared. So the area of the square is 64 centimeters squared. Okay, very good.
Number 2. Area equal length times width. So the value of length is 3 feet and the width is 7 feet. 3 times feet times 7 feet equals 20 feet squared. 21 feet squared.
Okay, very good. Let's all clap our hands for group 1. Now let's proceed to group 2.
Okay, the area of square is side times side. The length of square is 7 centimeters and the width is 7 centimeters. The area of the square is 49 centimeters squared. The formula of rectangle is length times width. The 2 feet is length, the 4 feet is width. The area of rectangle is 8 feet squared.
Okay, very good. Let's all clap our hands. Okay. Okay, class. Who won the game?
Group 1.
Group 1. Okay, very good. What do you think is the reason why they won the game? Anyone? Yes, Jamaica? We cooperate. Okay. Why is it important to work cooperatively in a group? Anyone? Yes?
So that we can
Again?
finish the work easily.
Okay, very good. Let's all clap our hands. Okay, now this is, now I have here, and for your assessment, I have here like questions and you are going to answer the following. And after you answer the following questions, you can pass it to me. Okay, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you're done, then pass your paper. Okay, very good. Now in your math notebook, kindly copy the following questions. Kindly copy the following questions. Okay. Okay, kindly copy the following questions. And answer is in your own. Okay, goodbye class.
Goodbye and thank you, teacher.
Okay, goodbye.